experience of the second speaker or second personality who had a great impact on my life, and that was Dr. Israr Ahmad. Dr. Israr Ahmad, may Allah grant him Jannah, he was one of the best Urdu-speaking orators in the world that I know of. So I traveled all the way to Pakistan in 1991 to meet Dr. Israr Ahmad. He was a medical doctor. He wasn't trained in any Islamic institute or Islamic university. He was a medical doctor inspired by Maududi, Jamaat Islami, went to Tabligh Jamaat, then started his own organization, Tanzim al-Islam. I went to Lahore to meet him. I was shocked at his simplicity. The command that he has over the Quran. He also speaks in English, but mainly in Urdu. And I was impressed by it. So I purchased all his video cassettes and added to the video cassette library. And to cut the story short, I learned many things from him. I'll just mention two important things I learned. Number one, he told me that I told about my background. I'm a medical doctor. I've just passed. And in 1991, I finished my medical studies and I was doing my internship when we started the organization. In 1990, I finished my medical studies. For 1 year, there was internship. And during internship, I had more time, so we started the organization. So I told him, I've just finished my medical studies. I would like to become a surgeon, do my MS, and I'm interested in Dawah. So he told me, son, you have to choose between the two. Either you choose your medical practice or Dawah. I, being a medical doctor, I practiced for 7 years and tried to do both. I could not. If you want to specialize, choose between the two one thing. The second thing I learned from him was, he told me that if you want to become a da'i, see to it that you make your personal needs the minimum. I said, why? He said, if you make your personal need the minimum, with the least amount of monthly requirement, you can speak the truth more. See to it that your needs are the least. And I saw that he had such a big institution, but what a simple man, Dr. Israr Ahmad. May Allah grant him Jannah. And this thing, that not to spend excessively, was one of the cornerstones